What's up you guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another vlog. I'm Dinesh and this is Tai Mo Shan Country Park. Biker boys are out. Must be going crazy, right? I'm scared. Alright, welcome to Tai Mo Shan, you guys. This video we're gonna do a full exhaust review on the SLK350. Check this out. I'm not sure if the mic can pick up the sound of the exhaust, but it is sick. Yeah. Alright, we gotta take a left here. We are back. We are headed out to AGM to do a few fixes to the car. So if you guys don't know yet, the road that we just came up in, that is the initial D road of Hong Kong. It is called Tai Mo Shan. It is the racetrack, official racetrack for all the Hong Kong racers. And in the night, it goes crazy. The whole JDM squad comes out and they're ripping around in the mountains. It is a crazy view when you come down here in the night. And we have arrived. Looks like the boys are already here. Oh, that was a crazy drive, you guys. Insane fun with those fast bikes and our car with our new exhaust. That was a sick drive up the hill. So we didn't go to AGM directly. We came to China Well, one of my friend's garages. I'm gonna get my coolant changed and my transmission oils changed. So she's just getting pulled in for all the changes. Car is sounding a little bit grunty. But let's see what all issues are there available in the car. I mean, not available, present in the car. Because I don't want any issues in the car anymore. Check out this car, you guys. This is the SL350. It's one of my friend's cars. He's done the same exhaust setup to it. No performance mods, but beautiful looking car. Plain black with these black rims and the red buttons on them. They look beautiful. And one of my friends has brought out his another Mercy. Brian, say hi to Brian, you guys.
Hi.
What's up, Brian? Can you introduce me to your car, please? I don't know which car it is.
This is the E200 ST.
E200 ST.
And then I just wrapped it in red color before it's silver. Yeah.
Okay, so it's a silver color car and you wrapped it into red.
Yes.
Oh, that looks beautiful. And I love the diffuser. It looks sick.
Diffuser from the E55.
Oh, is it
E53.
E53 diffuser?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. And you've got an exhaust setup on it too, right?
Yes, yes.
AGM?
Yes, AGM.
To find out what oil is leaking now.
Yes.
Is it coolant, transmission?
It might be 1 point or more than 1 point.
Okay, yeah, correct. I hope it's not more than 1 point. Oh man, Jason is scaring me. I hope nothing is wrong with the car. First, let's do the pressure test and see what is the issue, and then first go from there. So, check this out, you guys, the exhaust. The newly installed exhaust. It looks sick. Just me on the left. So guys, these are the issues that we have right now. We have oil leakage, coolant leakage, and a rear differential fluid issue. So we're going to start with the engine fluid change and the engine vacuum diaphragm change, and we're going to do a pressure test for this, for the coolant leakage, and see and take it from there.
By using a stethoscope, I suspect that this one, okay, the idler bearing, and the one on underneath got the tensioner bearing. Okay, they are worn, so the noise comes from here.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yes, the rattling. Okay, the second thing is the water pump. Okay. Also rattling. Okay.
Oh, look at the diagnostics, you guys. Very many, huh?
Okay, all the computer, all the control module.
Okay.
Okay.
Basic control mode.
Okay.
Okay, it shows that you got a low voltage once before.
Okay.
It started one, so it means that it doesn't happen now, but it was before. All right. Okay, this light indicates that you should have a engine light on right now.
Yeah, but I do have the left side engine light.
No, yeah, the engine light on the dashboard.
Oh, okay, okay.
Do you have it?
No,
No.
no, I don't have any engine light on.
Vào đó, lên đây thì đầu chứ.
Man, issues on issues. They're like codes popping up all throughout. But luckily the transmission is intact, it's fine. There are no issues, it has passed the test. There are a few other changes though, as the coolant and the gas pump, the water pump. So we're gonna get that changed first. So I'm sorry you guys, there's not gonna be an exhaust review in this video, but it's gonna come up as she's down. So we'll do a full-on repair of the car for now, and very soon we'll do a review on the exhaust once the car has come back into tip-top condition for us to take it out for a drive. Jason,
Hi.
the doctor has told me I have to leave my car here today, so they're gonna work on the car today, and we're gonna come back in a couple of days and pick it up. So I'm gonna end the vlog here today, you guys. We're gonna come back and do an exhaust review and a full fix-up review of the car and see how the condition is. Until the next time, peace.